Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do weekly love reading for Aries fire sign for the month of October. This is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see. Aries, your first card for the reading. Eight of Swords. So let's see. Eight of Pentacles. Six of Pentacles. I think there is no equal give and take in this connection. One person is stuck right now. They are not making any move towards the other person because literally they are stuck. Yes, literally they are stuck. And one person in this connection may be concentrating on career and finances for some only. For some who are in separation, there is no equal give and take in this connection. So that person want to work on this relationship because in past there is no equal give and take. But now your person want to offer, or you want to offer this equal give and take to your person, or your person want to offer this to you. Yeah, this time they want to work on this relationship. This time they are serious. Eight of Pentacles. It is very slow energy but stable offer. Definitely they want to offer equal give and take if it is your person, or if it is you, definitely you want to offer equal give and take to your person. But one person in this connection is stuck right now. Energy could be vice versa depending upon your situation. Five of Swords. Seven of Swords. The Tower. For some there is separation between both of you, or for some you are in no contact or less contact. Yes, because the Tower with the Five of Swords, definitely there are some differences between both of you. One person is manipulative in this connection. I think your person, Aries, your person is manipulative or cheated on you, lied to you, definitely, because Seven of Swords is very, very sneaky energy. Maybe all the readings the last week of October got this card common. So definitely there is some sneaky energy. Some Tower moment is already happened, or it is going to be happened. I think for some there is separation, then your person feeling like the Tower moment. Definitely a lot of air energy. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Yeah, definitely there is some disturbances or differences between both of you, because I think your person cheated on you, lied to you. Definitely you caught, you know what your person doing. That's why then after you know what your person knowing, then that Tower moment is happen. So let's see some more. Aries. Seven of Cups. Two of Pentacles. Nine of Swords. Yeah, lot of air energy and earth energy. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, you or your person could be. Definitely your person, or I think your person have options. Definitely that's why they are seeing other options. You know that, then you walked away. I think for some who are in separation, for some who are in no contact, definitely you cut them off after knowing this, because your person is juggling between you and another person, between you and their career, whatever. I think it's you or your person definitely feeling in anxiety, feeling like depressed and in anxiety, not sleeping at night times. Definitely one person in this connection like this Tower moment with Nine of Swords. But your person is very, very sneaky. If it is third party situation, I think it is better to walk away from your person. Your person have options. They are juggling. Let's see. Energy could be vice versa. So take resonates what. Take what resonate. Leave the remaining. Ace of Cups. Ace of Swords. Two aces. Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, your person wants second chance. They want to new beginning with you. Some communication, some truth coming out. Ace of Cups. For some you are doing self-love. You are giving time yourself, but your person want to come towards you. But Knight of Pentacles is very, very slow moving energy. I think after the Tower moment they realize you both and they want to come back to you. Some communication, they want communication. Definitely some communication is going to be happen between both of you, but it's up to you to talk to your person or give second chance to your person. But definitely lot of differences. I think the one person who stuck, I think you're stuck, I think Aries, because what happened between both of you, or your person may be stuck after the Tower moment. So let's see your person current feelings and actions, then we will get clarity. Okay, first card. Exhaustion, 9 of Wands. Compromise, 6 of Pentacles. Yes, I think the one person who put a lot of effort in this connection is you, not your person. Receptivity, Queen of Cups. Yeah, they have strong emotions for you. And exhaustion, 9 of Wands. I think your person feeling very exhausted right now, the situations between both of you. Compromise. Yeah, 6 of Pentacles. Now they want to offer equal give and take to this connection to you. Definitely they want a reconciliation with you. And receptivity. Yeah, strong emotions. They are feeling a strong emotions for you. Receptivity, Queen of Cups. So let's pull their near future actions towards you. Change, Wheel of Fortune. Wow. Harmony, 10 of Cups. 9 of Cups, lot of water energy. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Yeah, things are turning. Definitely things are turning in your person's life. Definitely they want you. Yes, they want this happiness with you. Harmony means 10 of Cups with 9 of Cups. Yeah, I think they are going to be win you again, because the laziness, 9 of Cups with 10 of Cups, definitely they want you. They are wishing for you. Definitely they want this happiness with you. They harmony with you. Their actions towards you, definitely they want, and they want to commit to you. They want to offer stability, and they want to offer commitment to you, because change is here. Something gonna change in your person's life. Definitely, if it is not third party situation, you have to give another chance to your person. If it is, it's up to you totally, depending upon your situation, because something change, major change is going to be happen in your person's life. Then they realize your worth, and they're wishing for this connection. They want this happiness with you. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. This is general reading, may or may not resonate everyone. So let's see. Queen of Swords, Temperance, Chariot, 9 of Pentacles. I think you stand by your power, Aries. Definitely you stand by your power. You are now like this. You cut off your person and you stand by your power. You are now emotionally and financially independent. You are not going to dependent on any more. Yes, and Temperance with Chariot. Definitely your person waiting for the right moment. And I think there is no balance in this connection. There is no equal give and take. But temperance means patience and balance is needed. Definitely your person patiently waiting for you. They want to things take to next level. If it is not third party, definitely this relationship is going to next level. I am getting, because your person 9 of Cups with 10 of Cups with Wheel of Fortune. Definitely they are wishing to take this relationship to next level. And for some you also want reconciliation if it is not third party. So be careful. If it is third party, it's up to you. If it is not, definitely some changes are going to happen in your person's life. Chariot, your person could be Cancer, water sign. But I think there is, your person also want to compromise. They want to offer equal give and take. This 2 times 6 of Pentacles in this reading. Definitely this time they realize your worth. They want to offer equal give and take to this connection. So let's see your overall energy. Aries, Devil. You or your person could be Capricorn. You are obsessed with your person. Yeah, definitely you are obsessed with your person. Empress. But this obsession is going to be end. That's because the positive change, the Empress and 6 of Wands. Yeah, definitely stand by your power. Now you are like this. In past, I think there is obsession. You are more obsessed with your person. But now you stand by your power. Because you put a lot of effort in this connection. Without equal give and take, there is no need to continue any relationship, because relationship means equal effort between both of you. So let's see your person overall energy. The Fool. Wow, I already told you they want new beginning with you. Yes, they want a new beginning with you. They want to start again with you. Conditioning. Yeah, you both are obsessed with each other. That is the issue here. That's why some deception is happening in this connection. The Devil energy and awareness. Yeah, Death. Yeah, I already told you something change is happening in your person's life. Awareness means death. Definitely your person undergoes some transformation. Awareness means, yeah, Definitely they are going to aware that you are very important person in their life. Definitely they want new beginning and their obsession. You both are obsessed with each other. Definitely you both are obsessed with each other, but your person want new beginning with you. So this is the reading for you, Aries. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you for your support. Bye.